Hey, Hanky and Frankie Designs here. Today I'm going to show you how you can edit your very own kinky coupons or naughty coupons, sexy coupons for Valentine's Day, or let's face it, any time of the year as these bad boys are really good for. And we're going to be doing that in Canva. If you want if you like the template that we're using, you can pick up a copy of this in our Etsy shop. There's a link in the description down below to that. But let's get going with this. So Canva is super, super easy to use. If you haven't used it before, here's all your design functionality down the side here. And then across the top, probably the most important button is the undo button. If you make an error, really easy to fix. Okay, so all of these coupons are editable. We have 40 pre-filled coupons, so there's 4 pages of 10 and they're 4 inches by 2 inches in size. So all of those are editable. But what we also have are these blank ones as well. So we've got 2 pages, so 20 of these blank ones. If you want to print them out and just write into them, that's absolutely fine, or you can type into them here. But these pre-filled ones are editable as well. So you don't even have to worry about choosing fonts, font size, all of that sort of stuff. It's all done there for you. You just enter in the text that you want. So when you're ready to, change it, maybe you don't want to do a sexy striptease. So just click inside the text box and you could type maybe you want full body kisses. And it's as easy as that. This is also editable. Like, oh, I got the peps on using just your lips or whatever. You can put whatever you like in there. Um, you might like to put a little expiry date on that. That's absolutely fine. So that is, good to go once you've done that. And then if you want to change any of these elements, you can change the color. So, we do have red and other colors in our shop. But if you want to change them yourself, maybe you'd like a light pink, you can do that. You can change the border color as well. Um, the really cool thing about Canva is down here at the bottom, it actually prompts you to change all. So you don't have to go through every single coupon and change the color on everything. Come down here, click on change all, and everything changes. It's so cool. Doesn't change the text color, you got to do that. So coming up here, if you want it to match that pink, click on that light pink and then come down to change all. Boom, done. You are good to go. So when you are ready to print these off, come up to the share button up here, come to download, and then print them as a PDF print. That's going to get you the best quality for at-home printing. I tend to flatten the PDF and then just hit the download button and that'll go to your downloads folder on your computer. So easy, really, really easy. These are perfect for Valentine's Day. They are perfect for year round. They're perfect for anniversaries, for birthdays, just to spice things up. So, if you want to get popping, let's get it happening with these coupons. They're so much fun, heaps of fun. So, link in the description down below, and we hope that you enjoy.